Hey Sekiro fans! A leaked domain hints at a Sekiro Shadows Die Twice anime, but AI in its production has some fans worried. Is this adaptation a dream or a dud? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest gaming news. Let's dive into this anime release. A domain registered for SekiroAnime.jp by Kadokawa, who owns a stake in FromSoftware, sparked hype for a Sekiro anime. But rumors of AI-driven studio Qzil.la leading the project have fans on edge. Want the full scoop? Keep watching! Sekiro Shadows Die Twice, FromSoftware's 2019 masterpiece, wowed with its brutal swordplay and Sengoku-era Japan setting, selling over 10 million copies and snagging Game of the Year at the Game Awards. Though overshadowed by Elden Ring, it is a fan favorite. The July 31st SekiroAnime.jp domain filed by Kadokawa suggests an anime announcement is imminent, despite the site's current 404 error. Unverified reports point to Qzil.la, known for Kuromi's Pretty Journey and work on Chainsaw Man, as the studio behind the Sekiro anime. But Qzil.la's open use of AI in production has fans uneasy, fearing it could compromise the adaptation's quality for a game known for its meticulous craft. Will AI dull Sekiro's edge or enhance its epic tale? A Sekiro anime could bring the game's intense combat and rich Sengoku lore to life, thrilling fans craving FromSoftware stories. But AI's role raises questions about authenticity in adapting such a beloved title. With an announcement likely soon, this could redefine game-to-anime adaptations, good or bad. Keep an eye on SekiroAnime.jp for updates. An official reveal could drop any day. Are you hyped for a Sekiro anime or skeptical about AI's role? Drop it below. That's the scoop on the Sekiro anime tease. Are you ready for Sengoku action or worried about AI in anime? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming updates.